Hello class, this is Mr. Lucero and we're going to start our unit number 4, Out and About. For this unit we are going to see vocabulary about places in town, we're going to have reading activities, we're going to have grammar 1 and 2, and many things. So hope you're going to enjoy this unit. We're going to start on pages 56 and 57. Okay, this is our page 56 and 57, Out and About, and there is a beautiful landscape. So tell me class, what can you see in this beautiful landscape? Okay, I can see the mountains, I can see a city, I can see a lake, excuse me, what else can you see? Boats, no? A city. Perfect. No? That is going to be our poster for this unit. So the idea is to talk about places in town. What places can you find in this town? So we're going to start with our vocabulary. Okay? Here, excuse me, give me a second. Perfect. For example, here I have picture number 1, I have picture number 2, picture number 3, number 4, and also I have number 5 and number 6. Let's focus on number 1. What can you see on picture number 1? People. Okay. Where are these people? In the supermarket, in the bank, in the park? No, you need to give me ideas, class. Second one, Scat Cinema Circle presents Beauty and Danaway in Bonnie and Clyde, January 11th, 7 p.m. Cinema, perfect. Now let's continue with number 2. Sorry, number 3. What can you sing? Number 3. Running shoes. Excellent. In what place can you buy running shoes? In the supermarket? In the store? Okay. Number 4. What can you see? Yes, of course, you can see a lot of books. And what is the place for books? What is the place where you can get books? The library and the bookstore. Excellent. In the library, you can read books for free. In a bookstore, you can buy books. Okay. Now, number 5. The Museum of Modern Art. Of course, it's a museum. Okay. Number 6. What can you see in number 6? A store? It's a possibility. A supermarket? Could be. Okay. So in this part we're guessing. Okay, remember in this part everything is okay for you. Now let's see our vocabulary number 1. This vocabulary is about places in town. Okay? And here says number 1. Match the pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with the words in the box. Mark an X on the ones that are numbered in the pictures. Okay, for example, here I have the word bank, drugstore, gym, hotel, library, mall, movie theater, museum, newsstand, restaurant, school, shoe store, subway station, and supermarket. Now, let's see. This is my question. Match the pictures of the places 1 to 6 with the words in the box. Mark an X on the ones that aren't numbered. So if this bank on the picture, can you see a bank? No. So an X. A drugstore. Can you see a drugstore? A drugstore is a place where you can buy medicine. This is a drugstore. This is number 6. And number 6 is a drugstore. A gym, a place where you can work out or you can do some exercise. No, an X. What about hotel? Can you see a hotel here? No, no hotel. X. What about a library? Yes, of course, a library. Number 4 is a library. Mall. For example, if you go to Mega Plaza, you you can get in the electric store like this. Yes, the mall. Excellent. Movie theater. Movie theater. It's not theater, it's a movie theater. It's a place in which you can see a movie. Excellent. Number 2. Museum. That's very easy. Yes, of course. Museum of Modern Art. Number 5. Let's continue. Newsstand. A newsstand is a place where you can get magazines or newspaper. No. Okay. Restaurant. No. School. No. Shoe store. A shoe store is a place where you can buy shoes or running shoes. Excellent. So this is number 3, no? Okay, number 3. Subway station. No, there is no subway station. It's like in Lima the electric train, but underground. It's not on the floor, it's under. And what about supermarket? Can you find supermarket? No, there is no supermarket in these pictures. Okay, let's see. A bank is a place where you put your money. A drugstore is a place where you can buy medicine. A gym is a place where you can do exercises. Hotel is a place where you can sleep. Library is a place where you can get books, free books, okay? Mall is a place like Mega Plaza. Movie theater is like movie time in Mega Plaza also. Museum, okay. Museum is a place where you can see things from the past, for example. Newsstand is a place where you can buy some magazines or newspaper. School, like Mixto San Jose. Shoe store, a place where you can buy shoes, running shoes. Subway station. Okay, the subway station is the place where you get in line. No, it's the place where you wait for the subway. And the subway is underground. It's not on the like the electric train in Lima. No, no, no. It's under. And supermarket is a place where you can buy many things. Okay? Now listen and repeat. Bank, drugstore, gym, hotel, library, mall, movie theater, museum, newsstand, restaurant, school, shoe store, Subway station. Supermarket. Excellent. Not that. Number one, part number one, and number two. Let's continue with number three. Listen to the sounds. Make a guess on which places in activity one they come from. So, you're going to listen to sounds, okay? You're not going to listen, it's a place where you can buy some medicine. No, 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 no. Sounds. And then you write one of those places, no, from the vocabulary here. Pay attention and try to answer.
Unit 4, Track 39, Activity 3. A. B. C. D. E. F.
Okay, class, it was about 3 minutes of noise. Now let's see. What place could be letter A? It was like a train. Exactly. It was the subway station. Very good. Now in letter B, what can you listen? There were like machines, some people. Yes, letter B is the gym. Okay. Now what about letter C? It sounds like money. Aha, bank. Letter D. It's like when you buy something, no, like beep, beep, beep. Supermarket. Very good. What about letter E? There were a lot of people, maybe talking. It sounds like some water. Excellent. A restaurant. What about letter F? It sounds like a lot of children. And then it sounds a bell, like ring. Exactly. Letter F is school. Okay, this is our vocabulary. Here we have a tip. It says mall or shopping malls is the term used in North America. For example, in the United States, they can say mall or shopping mall. There is no problem. In the UK, Ireland, and Australia, people call them shopping centers. So be careful. If somebody says mall or shopping mall, or maybe shopping center, are the same things. No, it's mall. Okay, class, this is being our first video. We're going to continue in a few moments. Thank you.